If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25 Pro yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add a Calendly in Framer, click the plus button and then search for utility and then select that, then drag the embedded. Now, in order to add Calendly, go to your Calendly account and then click the share button. You'll see here the share link, add time email, and add to website. Click on add to website and click the inline embedded, then select continue, and then copy the embedded code, then paste it to the embedded. Click the HTML instead of URL, then paste the embedded code from Calendly, and that's it. You've successfully added Calendly in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.